Ford is about to release the 2027 F-150 with updates so significant that anyone buying a 2026 model right now will regret their decision within months. If you're ready to sign the paperwork on a new F-150, you need to understand what's coming first. Most people assume the 2026 model is the latest and greatest, but the 2027 is bringing game-changing improvements that solve the real problems truck owners have been complaining about for years. Let's reveal 6 reasons you should wait for the 2027 Ford F-150. Number 6. Updated hybrid powertrain. The Power Boost Hybrid has been one of the F-150's most talked about options since its introduction. Strong power figures and decent fuel economy made it popular on paper, but owners quickly discovered the reality was different. Transmission issues, electrical gremlins, and inconsistent performance turned what should have been Ford's efficiency champion into a reliability headache. For 2027, Ford is finally addressing these problems head-on. The Blue Oval isn't scrapping the hybrid system entirely. Instead, engineers are overhauling the components that caused the most trouble. The basic architecture will remain. 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 paired with an electric motor, but the transmission calibration is being refined to eliminate rough shifting, battery thermal management is getting upgraded cooling, and the electric motor integration is being redesigned. Picture yourself halfway through a cross-country towing job when your hybrid system throws an error code and forces you into limp mode. That's the nightmare scenario early Power Boost owners face too often. The updated system is being engineered specifically to handle heavy loads without the glitches. You'll get the fuel savings of a hybrid without the anxiety of wondering if your truck will actually make it to the destination. But fixing the hybrid is just the beginning, because Ford is also solving the biggest problem that's kept truck buyers away from electric power altogether. Number 5. Lightning gets replacement. The F-150 Lightning promised to revolutionize electric trucks when it arrived, but the promise crashed into reality pretty quickly. Range anxiety isn't just a concern with the Lightning, it's a daily frustration. Real-world range falls far short of EPA estimates, especially when towing or hauling. The 2027 model year is bringing Ford's answer to this problem, and it's not what most people expect. Instead of simply adding bigger batteries, Ford is introducing a range extender version. This setup includes a gasoline engine that acts purely as a generator. The truck still drives on electric power alone, but when the battery runs low, the gas engine kicks in to keep you moving. The numbers are transformative. While the current Lightning struggles to achieve 250 miles in ideal conditions, the range extender model is targeting over 700 miles of total range. That's more than most gas-powered F-150s. Imagine planning a weekend trip to haul your camper 200 miles to the lake. With the current Lightning, you'd need to map out charging stations, add hours to your trip, and pray the weather cooperates. Most owners just give up and take a gas truck instead. The range extender version eliminates this entire headache. You'll tow with the confidence of a traditional truck while still getting the instant torque and smooth operation of electric drive. Of course, all that range means nothing if your truck can't actually pull the load you need to move, which is why the next update matters so much. Number 4. Class-leading towing and payload. American trucks have been locked in a horsepower war for decades, but smart buyers know that peak horsepower means nothing if your truck can't actually haul what you need. Towing capacity and payload ratings are where the real capability shows up. The 2027 F-150 is pushing these numbers to new levels. Maximum towing capacity is climbing to 14,000 pounds on properly equipped models. That's a significant advantage over key rivals that still struggle to hit 13,000 pounds in their most capable configurations. More importantly, Ford is increasing the number of configurations that can hit high towing ratings. You won't need to buy the specific trim just to get serious capability. Every contractor knows the frustration of loading up for a job and realizing you're over your truck's weight limit. Do you make 2 trips and waste half your day, or do you risk a ticket and potential liability? The 2027 updates are designed to keep you under DOT limits while carrying everything you need. If you're hauling construction materials, a fifth-wheel camper, or heavy equipment, every 100 pounds of extra capacity eliminates those impossible choices. But you won't want to spend all day in a work truck if the cabin feels like a punishment, and that's exactly what Ford is addressing next. Number 3. Modern cabin. Ford redesigned the F-150 interior a few years back with impressive results. Premium materials, improved ergonomics, and better build quality set new standards in the segment. But the competition hasn't been sitting still. The 2027 F-150 is bringing further refinement to maintain its edge. New color schemes are being introduced across the trim lineup. Higher quality leather and upgraded soft-touch materials are replacing older surfaces. The dashboard layout is getting subtle but meaningful improvements. Controls are being repositioned for better reach, and storage solutions are being expanded. Sound insulation is receiving major attention. Additional acoustic barriers are being installed in the doors, floor, and roof. Anyone who's driven 8 hours straight to a job site knows how exhausting cabin noise becomes. Your ears are ringing, your head is pounding, and you're mentally drained before you even start working. The 2027 model's enhanced sound insulation transforms this experience. You'll arrive at your destination actually ready to work, not fighting off a noise-induced headache. Seat comfort is another focus area. Ford is redesigning the seat frames and cushioning for better long-distance support. Competitors have introduced features like adjustable lumbar support and massage functions. The 2027 model is matching these additions while improving the basic seat structure. A comfortable cabin is important, but if you think the interior upgrades are impressive, wait until you see how much technology Ford is packing into this truck. Number 2. Loaded with features. Modern trucks need to do more than haul and tow. They're replacing SUVs as family vehicles for millions of buyers. That means luxury features, advanced tech, and convenience systems are no longer optional extras. They're requirements. The 2027 F-150 is expanding its technology suite across all trim levels. The base models are getting features that were recently reserved for higher trims. Wireless smartphone integration becomes standard equipment. Larger touchscreens are being offered earlier in the lineup. Driver assistance features are seeing comprehensive updates. Adaptive cruise control is getting more sophisticated algorithms for smoother operation. Lane keeping assistance is being recalibrated to feel less intrusive. Blind spot monitoring is expanding to cover trailer combinations. The 360-degree camera system is getting higher resolution and better low-light performance. One of the most frustrating things on a work site or at a campsite is needing electricity when there are no outlets anywhere in sight. Your tools are dead, your equipment won't run, and you're stuck waiting or scrambling for a solution. That's why the upgraded ProPower onboard system matters. The generator capacity is increasing significantly, giving you more outlets, higher wattage, and better load management. You'll run everything from power saws to refrigerators without hunting for a traditional generator. All these features are great for daily driving and work duty, but the real game changer is what Ford has done to make this truck unstoppable when the pavement ends. Number 1. Off-road expertise. The off-road truck segment has exploded in recent years. Ram has the TRX and Rebel. Chevy offers the ZR2 and Trail Boss. But Ford still dominates with the most comprehensive lineup of off-road variants. The 2027 F-150 is expanding this advantage even further. The Raptor remains the flagship performance off-roader, but Ford is introducing new variants that fill gaps in the lineup. A new trail-focused model sits between the standard FX4 package and the hardcore Raptor. This truck gets upgraded suspension, larger tires, and enhanced skid plate protection without the Raptor's premium price. The Tremor package is receiving major updates for 2027. Front and rear locking differentials become standard. Suspension travel is increasing with new dampers and revised spring rates. Approach and departure angles are improving through redesigned bumpers. For buyers who need maximum capability, the Raptor R continues with refinements. The supercharged V8 is getting enhancements in terms of throttle response. The chassis is being strengthened to handle even more abuse. Most truck buyers face a tough choice when ordering: do you optimize for work capability or weekend adventure? Long bed for hauling materials or short bed for better maneuverability? The 2027 F-150's off-road lineup solves this dilemma. You can order off-road capability in short beds or long beds, crew cabs or super cabs, even two-wheel drive platforms that can be upgraded with off-road components. No other manufacturer offers this level of flexibility. The 2027 F-150 isn't just getting minor updates, it's solving real problems that have frustrated truck owners for years. From a hybrid system that actually works reliably to an electric option with genuine long-range capability, Ford is addressing the issues that matter most. Add in class-leading towing numbers, a quieter cabin, technology that rivals luxury SUVs, and the most versatile off-road lineup in the segment, and it becomes clear why waiting makes sense. Clearly, Ford is making necessary updates to retain its dominant position on the market, but what the competition is doing seems much bolder. For example, the GMC Sierra is getting a full redesign for the next year, and you can check it out in our next video. Next generation V8 engines, all-new interior, and all-new hybrid powertrain are just some of the potential game changers.